Well, hey, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. So.
Cool. Let's have a look at this thing. I've never ridden out in one.
Was that right?
Yeah. Looks pretty cool. And I can look back at it. These fish boxes are huge. Look at this fiberglass shell. It's awesome. Tow rails, storage. Cool bait table that flips up. This whole floor flips up. Storage everywhere. There's even a nice locker back here. It's an awesome step. It's got the perfect amount of scratches in it, so you don't have to worry about putting more scratches on it. Yeah, this has got a really long hardtop. Man, there's so much room in this boat. It is incredible. The cuddy is ginormous as well. I am guessing that, all right, it's been converted to a C drive, and this is a Campion. Campions did not come with this C drive. This is good engineering from somebody in the field. Twin Suzuki's, and this boat is 32 feet apparently with the engines and everything. And it's old, but it's nice.